Hi YouTube family, creating a successful online store begins with a clear business concept. It is initial to define what products you can to sell and identify your target audience. Understanding your niche and your ideal customers while guide the overall design, branding and marketing strategies for your store. The foundational step ensure the business catches the right audience, helping shape a strong and conceive brand identify. Once your business's concept in identify, Shopify makes it incredibility easy to set up your store. The platform offers user-friendly interface and an intuitive dashboard to allow beginners and experts alike to build functional online store without technical skills with access to a wide selection of professionally designed themes. You can choose a design that fits your brand. These themes are highly customizable, enabling you to adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to create a unique and visually appealing store that reflects your business identify. Customizing your store does not stop the visuals. Shopify provides extensive tools to help you organize your product catalog, craft engineering content, and enhance the user experiences. Pay attention to details such as compelling product descriptions, high quality images, and seamless interface to ensure your customers have a smooth shopping experiences. Shopify built-in feature like inventory management, secure payments, gateways, order tracking, interrogation further enhance your store's functionality and simplify operations. Marketing plays as a pivotal role in driving traffic and sales to your Shopify store. Shopify includes built-in SEO features to help to optimize your store for research engineering, improving its visibility. Additionally, adopting marketing strategies such as social media promotions, content creators, and email campaign can help you effectively reach your audience. Collaborating with influencers or for forming partnerships can also build trust with potential customers and expand your research. Shopify stands you for out among e-commerce platforms because of its ease of use and flexibility. Its drag and drop functionality makes website creation simple and intuitive, allowing to you customers and store without the coding knowledge. The platform also support all generated product descriptions, saving us you time by creating tailored descriptions for your items. With Shopify, you can monitor your stock levels automatically, ensuring accurate inventory management and improving customers' experiences. The platform offers a range of pricing plans to suit businesses of all sizes. The basic plan is dial ideal to startup, while the Shopify and advanced tiers provide additionally features like professional reports and more staff accounts for larger businesses. Shopify Plus and e-commerce commitments for experiences level solution with personalized support and customizable options regardable. So for the business size, Shopify has a plan meet your needs. Finally, Shopify approach to payments processing in another advantage. Unlike some other platforms, Shopify does not charge a percentage of their transaction if you use its built-in Shopify's payment. The feature streamlines payment processing and reduce fees, making it an attractive choice for businesses owners. With Shopify, you can start building your dream online store today. Take advantage for their 3 days free trial and introductory offer for $1 per month for the first 3 months to explore the platform for potential. Whatever you are small businesses owner to running a large enterprise, Shopify offer the tools, features, and support needed to create a professional and successful online store.